Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. We are back with learning 5 new words for today, which is 10th of April 2019. This is the daily vocabulary booster by Oliveboard. So herein we learn 5 new words every day. This is to enhance our English for all bank and government examinations. And every day we post this at 12 p.m. Okay, so before we start with the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. We start with the first term, which is catalog. So it is CATALOGUE, which means a systematic list of items of the same type. So here we can take example of a supermarket wherein things are placed in a systematic manner, or even hospital. We know when we get a brochure, things of the same type. Or with respect to courses, so if we go to a university to ask for all the courses that they offer, so it is presented in a systematic list and things are of similar type. Okay, so few of the synonyms are classify, categorize, systematize, index, or list. We'll check the usage. The catalog gives a full description of each product. So if we go to a college to ask for all the courses, so it clearly describes what the course is all about. So it provides full description of all the products that they are offering. Then the next term is cynicism. Okay, so it is CYNICISM, which means an inclination to believe that people are motivated purely by self-interest. So people believe that it is only self-interest that keeps a person motivated, and there's nothing else that sort of pushes anyone to do anything else, or there's nothing that pushes us to achieve something other than our self-interest. Okay, so few of the synonyms are skepticism, doubt, distrust, or mistrust. So there was no trace of cynicism in his voice. That means that a person who is a leader, who's achieved a lot of things in life, does not believe that someone has to be motivated only for self-interest, or it is only the self-interest that has sort of pushed that person to achieve great heights in life. There are a lot of factors that sort of pushes us to achieve really well in our life. Then the next term is discourse. Discourse is written or spoken communication or debate. So when we indulge into a debate, that is when if it is in the form of writing or spoken, that is when we use the term discourse. So few of the synonyms are discussion, conversation, talk, or dialogue. Now we'll check the usage. She could discourse at great length on the history of Europe. That means that a person can speak a lot on the history of Europe. Okay, that is when we use the term discourse. The next term is persecution. Persecution means hostility and ill treatment, especially because of race or political or religious beliefs. So if someone is ill treated on the basis of their race or their political belief or their religion, so you are ill treated because of all your faith towards a political party or towards your religion or towards your race, and you are ill treated, that is when we use the term persecution. So few of the synonyms are oppression, victimization, or maltreatment. So someone who does not follow what you follow comes and ill treats you, that is when we use the term persecution. So the usage is, her family fled religious persecution at the hands of the people. So that means that a girl's family took away all the ill treatment that was given or put towards that family from the hands of the people. Okay, and the last term is reiteration. It is REITERATION, which is reiteration, which means the action of repeating something, typically for emphasis or clarity. So if we are trying to repeat something in particular for emphasis or clarity, to make things clear, that is when we use the term reiteration. Few of the synonyms are repeat, restate, and retell. the usages, the reiteration of his campaign promises to cut taxes made people to vote for him. So if we have a leader who says that after a period of time he or she will reduce taxes, or once they get selected, after a period they will reduce taxes, and that is the reason people go and vote for them, that is called reiteration. Well, those were the 5 words that we've learned today. I hope you liked the video. Do share it with your friends and help them improve their vocabulary. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.